How to create a high quality mini blog from scratch. Hello, this is Alex, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever thought about being a vlogger but don't know where to start? Today I'll be showing you the whole process of creating a mini blog. Well, first of all we have to determine the main topic for the video which we will use. 3 small steps to start a productive day as an example. Then we can divide this topic into 3 different parts: getting up, making breakfast, and doing my work. Let's get started. The first part we have here is getting up. We can divide it into 3 shots. Split screen 1. Shoot a scene of someone opening the curtain. Split screen 2. Shoot a scene of someone making the bed. Then switch to a lower angle for split screen 3. Shoot the person walking towards the kitchen after finishing making the bed. We can then divide the part of making breakfast into 5 shots. Split screen 1. The person walks into the kitchen. Split screen 2. Start pan frying eggs and bacon. Split screen 3. Plate the breakfast. Split screen 4. Shoot the process of carrying the breakfast plate to the table. Then another shot of putting down the plate for split screen 5 and making a smooth transformation that connects with the last screen. The last part is to film the scene of us working. We can't keep moving the camera around while we work, since that will disturb our job. So what we have to do is to keep it all at a steady angle and film the whole process of us working, then change a few angles during our breaks. We can speed up the clip later to show that time has passed quickly. Remember, the camera must be steady during the long shot. We can finish the mini vlog by shooting a few ending shots, which in this case would be us closing the laptop and leaving the room. Now we are done with all the shooting parts. For the editing part, I recommend that you edit with your phone. Open CapCut, click plus to import all videos you filmed earlier. Trim the extra parts that you don't need. To make your vlog more interesting, you can also add your own voiceover to the video. Click on the text and select auto captions, then the caption will be automatically recognized. It's really convenient. The very last step is to add music to the video. CapCut comes with an extensive music library. Now a vlog has been made from scratch. Download CapCut and get started!